Two people, same income, same market, same decade. One becomes wealthy, the other stays broke forever. Want to know the one choice that made the difference? You're watching this video for a reason. Maybe you're checking your bank account at 2 a.m. again. Maybe you're tired of watching everyone else seem to get ahead while you feel stuck in the same place. I get it, I really do. You think you need a better job, a hot stock tip, maybe some secret formula the rich people are hiding from you. But here's what Morgan Housel discovered after studying thousands of millionaires. The difference between financial freedom and financial prison isn't what you know. It's not your income. It's not even luck. It's one behavioral choice you make every single day. And most people are making the wrong one without even realizing it. Let me tell you about two men. Real people, real stories. Ronald Redd was a janitor at J.C. Penney. Never made more than minimum wage. Drove a used car held together with safety pins. His friends thought he was poor. Richard Fusconi was everything Ronald wasn't. Harvard MBA, Merrill Lynch executive, mansion in Connecticut, the American dream personified. The janitor died with $8 million in the bank. The executive lost everything. Same economy, same stock market, same opportunities, completely opposite outcomes. What did the janitor know that the Harvard MBA didn't? He understood the one choice that matters more than any degree, any salary, any inheritance, the choice between patience and impatience. Warren Buffett, you know the name, world's greatest investor. But here's what nobody talks about. Buffett made 99% of his wealth after his 50th birthday. Let me say that again. 99% came after age 50. Not because he suddenly got smarter, not because he found better stocks. He just started investing at age 10 and never stopped. Think about what that means. If Warren Buffett had started investing at 30 like most people, with the same exact returns, his net worth today would be 11.9 million, not 84 billion. That's 99.9% less wealth. Same skill, same strategy, just less time. Now let's talk about you. 1 penny, doubled every day for 30 days. How much do you think that becomes? Most people guess a few $1,000s. It's over 5 million. But here's why your brain fights this truth. Your relationship with money was programmed before you even knew what money was. People born in different decades live in different financial worlds. It's not opinion, it's fact. Born in 1970, you watched the stock market multiply by 10 during your youth. Of course you invest. Born in 1950, you watched the market go absolutely nowhere for 20 years. Of course you're skeptical. Born in the 1960s, you got crushed by inflation, eating your parents' savings. Born in 1990, inflation. What inflation? Your parents' experiences became your beliefs. Their fears became your limitations. Their wins became your expectations. You're not broken for being afraid of the stock market. You're not stupid for missing opportunities. You're just running someone else's financial operating system. But starting today, you can install a new one. Sure, Buffett had time, but he's also a genius. Fair point. So let's talk about someone even smarter. Jim Simons, hedge fund legend, math genius. His returns, 66% per year. That absolutely destroys Buffett's 22% average. So Simons must be richer, right? Wrong. He's worth $21 billion. That's 75% less than Buffett. Why? He didn't find his stride until age 50. If Simons had started as young as Buffett, with those incredible returns, his net worth would be $63 quintillion. That's more money than exists on Earth. Simons had the better strategy. Buffett had more time. Time beat genius. Time always beats genius. Look at that Lamborghini in your Instagram feed. That's not wealth. That's debt with a paint job. A financial suicide note written in Italian. True wealth, it's invisible. It's boring. It's the money you don't spend. Every dollar you don't waste today is buying something priceless. Your freedom, the ability to wake up and do whatever you want. Not at 65, but whenever you have enough. And enough might be sooner than you think. Want to know why most people fail at investing? They think they can get the rewards without paying the price. The stock market has returned about 11% annually for decades. But here's what they don't tell you. Your portfolio will drop 30% at least 3 times in your investing life. Most people see those drops as punishment, as failure, as a reason to quit. Wrong. It's just the admission fee. You want to see the view from the mountain? You have to climb. There's no escalator, no shortcuts, no secret path. The volatility isn't a bug in the system. It is the system. Once you accept this, everything becomes simple. Pay the price with patience, or pay it with poverty. Your choice. So here it is, the one choice that will decide your next 5 years. Will you choose patience or panic? Will you choose compound growth or quick wins? Will you choose boring wealth or exciting poverty? This isn't about being perfect. It's about being consistent. Start with $1. Start with one decision. Start with one day. Because in 5 years, you'll be in one of two places, wishing you had started today, hopeful, or thanking yourself for making the choice. The math is already working. While you sleep, while you doubt, while you wait, every second you delay costs more than you realize. Every day you wait is a day less of compounding, but every day you commit is a day closer to freedom. Thank you for watching. I've personally enjoyed it a lot. If you've enjoyed this debate, consider subscribing to Pushwise for more finance content like this.